Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some wooden beaded ants. These are going to be so fun for your little kids, but I'm going to be honest, I absolutely adored making these for the fairy garden. So all you're going to need is pipe cleaners and wooden beads. I am cutting my main pipe cleaner into 7 inches long. The wooden beads I'm using are 14 millimeter and 16 millimeter. Once your pipe cleaners are cut to length, you're going to want to fold them in half, and then we're going to glue them in the bottom of our bead. So the bottom of my bead was a 16 millimeter, the middle one was a 14, and then the top one was another 16. I just put glue in the bottom, and that's going to keep the last bead from rolling off of our ant. Now, this is going to make it really easy because we already have our pipe cleaners on to just hold while we are painting them. This just makes it a little bit easier to do this way so you don't make a big mess. Paint them black, and then you will see that I did add some glamour dust, which really took them up a notch, and I love all things glitter, so it was just a perfect addition to them. Once all your paint's dry, you're going to cut some more pipe cleaners to 3.5 inches, and you're going to use 2 pieces per ant. Once your next pieces are cut to length, you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to wrap it around one of the sections of the beads. And you're going to do this for both sections. Once you get it to the bottom of the ant, you're just going to twist a little bit, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm folding it, put it in a section of the ants, and twisting on the bottom. Once we're done, we will fold our legs, that way it can stand. So we're leaving a little bit of gap in between the base of the ant and where we place the fold in our leg. For the antennas, you may have to trim them to length and then just separate them. For the eyes, we're just taking some white paint and the end of my paintbrush and dipping it and dotting for the eyes. Once they're all dry, you're also going to take a smaller paintbrush that has a smaller base, and then we're going to make a small black dot in the middle to complete the eyes. Now I'm using that same small brush that I did with the black, and I'm simply putting a mouth on. These are the cutest ants I have ever seen, and if ants can be cute, these are the ones I want. If you love this DIY and like all things creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org for more ideas. Thank you so much for watching today.